This Autodesk Fusion tutorial is part of a series of mechanical drawing exercises for Fusion. This series is going to look at simple third-angle projections from a mechanical drawing problems textbook and then model them in Fusion. This is the first and most simple drawing that we're going to use, and each of the drawings will become more complex and explore new techniques within Fusion. This drawing here shows a lap joint piece, and it has a top view, a front view, and a side view. We need to decide which view is the best to use for our drawing. We could use any of these views and get to the desired effect, but I think starting with making a sketch from the top view is going to be the easiest. I'll go ahead and create a sketch, select the ground plane. In the sketch menu in Fusion, select Create, Rectangle, Center Rectangle. Click on the origin and then drag out. I can type 2.5 IN, then press Tab, and then 2.5 IN. Now I have a rectangle that is 2.5 inches. I need to draw two more rectangles, so I can click this rectangle here or press R, draw out, and now I have two rectangles. Select the collinear constraint, select this line, and now these are collinear, and then select this line and this line. I can either type in dimensions, or I can use the equal constraint. For this one, I'll select this line here and make those equal. I'll show you another way that you can dimension things. By pressing D, I can select this line, click for the dimension, and then select an already existing dimension. That way, it is driven by this dimension. Now I can finish the sketch. Next, let's extrude. And if we look at the drawing, we know that we need to go up 1 inch on the sides. So I'll press E, select this face, and this face, and type 1 inch. So this gets part of our lap joint piece. Fusion always hides your sketch after you do an action. So over in the browser, select Sketches, and then click on this eyeball. Next, we need to have the two pieces on the edges extruded up. Press E, and in Fusion, if you can't select the object, click the left mouse button, hold, then you can select Profile, click the left mouse button, hold, select Profile. And we don't want to extrude from here, because watch, if I type in 1 inch, it's going to try to cut this in half. I want to set an offset. So instead of the profile plane where the sketch is, I can click Start, Offset, and then the offset will be 1 inch. The operation will be join, and I'll press OK. Now I can hide the sketch. Here we've taken a simple third angle projection from a mechanical drawing problems textbook, and then used those sketches to precisely make this model in Fusion. We're going to be covering much more complex sketches and drawings and modeling them in Fusion, so come along and learn 3D modeling in Fusion. Happy 3D modeling!